How are you? I expect that you are all oil. I feel sorry too. You are stay at home now for COVID-19. At first class, I am trying to introduce you the English past paper unit 7 lesson 1. I am trying to introduce you the choose the best answer from the topics. Now look at the whiteboard. Choose the best answer from the alternative. I am showing two questions for you so that you can understand the system of choose the best answer. Zainul developed a knack for Zainul developed a knack for number 1 drawing, number 2 painting, number 3 fishing, number 4 drawing and painting. Answer হবে drawing and painting. The next question, Zainul is considered the dash of Bangladeshi art. Answer number 1 answer father, number 2 answer founding father, number 3 famous artist, number 4 renowned painter অর্থাৎ হলো প্রতিষ্ঠিত চিত্রাঙ্কন। তাহলে Zainul is considered the founding father of Bangladeshi art. So you will try at home the next question with mentally. Now I am trying to second question. Answer the question system. Wait for few minutes. Answer the question. Number A, what was the subject matter of famine sketches question. Answer A. You will write from here. The subject matter of famine sketches was pottery, the harass famine of 19 1940. Look at the whiteboard and understand the answer. The next question I am trying to write. People. Answer for try. Extremely shocking. Pixars with in this situation you will try at home and answer the question. Now I am trying to showing the fill in the gaps, which is help you to understand the fill in the gap. You will try it at home. Dear student, try to understand the fill in the gaps, which is helped you to answer the gap. Fill in each gap with a suitable word of your own based on the information from the text. Zainul Abidin is a famous dash famous artist. He created as an agitation all over the world by drawing some realistic pictures. Pictures. He is considered the founding father. ওই যে ফাউন্ডিং মানে প্রতিষ্ঠাকারী, ফাদার অফ বাংলাদেশি আর্ট। He was an artist of excellent talent, মানে তার চিত্রাঙ্কনে অসাধারণ মেধা ছিল। And attained international name and fame, ইন্টারন্যাশনাল আন্তর্জাতিক সুনাম কুড়িয়েছিলেন। He is regarded as a great teacher of art for his artistic অ্যান্ড ভিশনারি কোয়ালিটিস। তার আর্টিস্টিক এবং ভিশনারি কোয়ালিটিতে তার গ্রেট টিচার হিসাবে তিনি পরিগণিত হয়েছিলেন। হি ওয়াজ দ্য ফার্স্ট প্রিন্সিপাল of the first art school in Dhaka in East Pakistan. পূর্ব পাকিস্তানের আর্ট স্কুলে তিনি প্রথম প্রিন্সিপাল নিয়োজিত হয়েছিলেন। হি অর্গানাইজড দ্য নবান্ন এক্সিবিশন ইন 1969। 1969 সালে নবান্ন উৎসবের আয়োজন করেছিলেন। ইন দ্য এক্সিবিশন, প্রদর্শনীতে, এ 65-foot long scroll portraying the rural East Pakistan in Faces from Abundance to Poverty was presented. This intensified the already heightened non-cooperation movement against the Pakistan region. So student, you will try at home these topics so that you can answer the all question system. Thank you. You will be happy.